Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you in this Audacity tutorial how you can cut, how you can copy, how you can paste in Audacity. So my goal of this video is to show you how you can do this in a short time. So if you learn this in a short time and it's going to be helpful for you, subscribe and like this video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can cut a video. So this portion of this video, maybe I would like to remove from this audio track. So to achieve this, you're going to have to press backspace or delete on your keyboard. Also, when you select a portion in view, you can click on here on view. You can also zoom in if you want to, so you can see much better. So let's actually zoom in, and then we can select, and if you want, you can select your multiple tracks. If you have here another track, and then you can click on cut. You are able to cut from here if you want, or you can undo with Command Z or Shift Command Z. And to cut, you can press Command X. But now remove this part, we can do it. Now, what about removing two parts from here or split this audio track? Well, you're gonna have to right click on this and select split clip or Command plus I. Very simple, but very helpful. You click on split, and now you click again on split or Command plus I. And now if you want to rejoin this, maybe because you made a mistake, you just have to select this and then with Command plus A or Control plus A, and then you right click and select join clips. Very simple. But what if you want to duplicate your audio? So in order to duplicate your audio, you can hold Option or Alt on your keyboard, grab from here when you see this, and then you can duplicate. And this is great. You can also right click on this and click on copy, and then you can paste. But make sure there's enough room. Here in edit, we can start a new file if you want to, and then here we can record. We can now move this audio, and you can right click on it and then click on copy and then paste, and then paste. So yeah, now you have another track. You can add a new track, you can add a new mix, you can remove tracks, and you can align tracks. This is great if you want to align to end track. So if you select this track, or if you have, let's say I go to preferences here and then I click on the record on a new track, or I can go back here and uncheck this, and now if I click on record, it's recording on the same track as you can see. But if I go preferences here, record on a new track, now it's starting the recording on a different track. That was a bug because I already checked that, but anyways. And now I can move tracks around. I can duplicate all the tracks. I can duplicate a track if I want to. And other things with tracks, you can go here, and then if you want, you can align tracks to end like this, and then you can select your tracks and click on mix and render if you want to mix all your tracks. So yeah, thanks for watching, and take